Hi friends, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel.
Hi, welcome everyone. In this lecture, we will talk about online course selling. The best thing is that you can teach anything you want, but that must be practical, whether professionally or personally. If you are good at something, you can teach that, and if you are not good at something, then you can learn anything of your interest and teach that. Don't worry if you do not have teaching experience. I personally did not have any experience teaching online, but my first course on Udemy has a 4 plus rating. So if I can do it, you also can. The catch here is try to answer all type of questions students may ask regarding a particular topic in a layman way. In this way, you will be able to create a great course. I am sharing two categories of websites for selling courses. First one is marketplace, and in this category the best websites are Udemy, Skillshare, Coursecraft and Stack Commerce. In the second category we have websites like Teachable, Thinkific and Learnwords. Using these websites you can create your own course site and will be able to collect email IDs of your students, which is important to run a long time business. But the difficult part is marketing. If you use marketplaces like Udemy, you would need to do marketing efforts, but that marketing effort is more likely to pay you because Udemy is a brand and people trust it. Just understand this as Amazon and a local e-commerce website. Obviously, you are more likely to trust Amazon than a local site. Also, once you understand how it works, then you can start collaborating with other instructors. Remember that you will have to create more courses and market them through all mediums. Thanks everyone. I will see you at the next lecture. Hi, welcome everyone. In this lecture, we will discuss the advantages and disadvantages of selling courses online. The first advantage is making huge profits. If you become successful at selling online courses, then you can make huge profits because you can sell one course to infinite number of people. Therefore, the profit will be huge. The second advantage is you can create a course on any topic, whether it is cooking, data science, career guidance in IT or anything else. So if you are good at anything, you can create a course on it. The third and the last advantage is it provides the facility to collaborate with other instructors. It is not possible that you can create courses on so many topics. Therefore, you can collaborate with other great instructors and share the profits. This will be very good for earning a good amount of money. But you need to make good relationship with instructors who are great at teaching. Now let's discuss the disadvantages of selling courses online. The first disadvantage is it is not easy to find students who will be interested in your course. You will have to work on marketing through many mediums such as social media, Google AdWords, etc. The second disadvantage is you will have to spend a lot of your time to create a good course, but it's worth it. If your course will be good enough, you might become a bestseller and the sales will increase rapidly. The third and the last disadvantage is a very small number of people who will see your course landing page will buy it. Hence the rate of return is low. But you should not worry about it because in most of the online businesses the rate of return is low. So there is nothing new, and this is the reason we must have patience to earn a living online. I hope you will keep these advantages and disadvantages in your mind if you start selling courses online. Thanks everyone. I will see you at the next lecture. Hi, welcome everyone. In this lecture, I will give you a list of niches to create online courses. Just remember that you can make profit in all of these, but the right marketing effort is necessary. This list is a little long because it covers so many niches. If you want to download the list, then check out the resources in this lecture. I am just naming these niches. This will help you to match your course creation idea with the niche. So let's start. The first one is digital painting. Then we have Squarespace web design business training, subscription box business, accounting, affiliate marketing, home decoration, Facebook ads training, home staging, design software training, leather crafting, mindset work, career and resumes, coaching, virtual assistant training, food photography, academic writing, fertility, hair stylist training, handmade business training, yoga teacher training, programming and coding, SEO training, ebook publishing, photo organization, WordPress websites, proofreading, auditioning, fashion design, self-care, Gmail training, digital scrapbooking, building a website, repairing computers and networks, machine learning, artificial intelligence, operating systems, cell phone repair, cyber security, robotics, software programming, selling handmade goods on Etsy, Amazon FBA, dropshipping, blogging, freelancing, e-commerce, business and entrepreneurship fundamentals, digital marketing, search engine marketing, branding, social media marketing, content marketing, advertising, calligraphy, knitting, carpentry, digital art, photography, graphic design, user experience, game design, fashion, architecture, interior design, animation, diet and nutrition, meal planning, vegan cooking, cupping, acupressure, aromatherapy, massage, herbalism, meditation, home workouts, weight loss, muscle building, self defense, swimming, running, sports, yoga, martial arts, survival skills, presentation skills, media training, instructional design, child psychology, starting a coaching business, teaching English, online course creation, writing website copy, storytelling, YouTube video creation, podcast creation, time management, procrastination, organization, goal setting, speed reading, investing, life purpose, study skills, self esteem, anxiety management, emotional intelligence, conflict management, confidence, body language, persuasion, negotiation, public speaking, test preparation, resume writing, personal finance, LinkedIn, video production, video editing, Adobe Premiere, color grading, live streaming, Instagram marketing, critical thinking, social psychology, counseling, economics, social science research methods, physics, chemistry, biology, data science and analysis, human anatomy and physiology, solar energy, radio frequency, marine biology, microbiology, environmental science, genetics, thermodynamics, climate dynamics, disease, aerospace engineering, calculus, statistics, algebra, trigonometry, probability, quantitative reasoning, travel hacking, Airbnb hosting, journaling, cosmetics, skincare, nail art, gaming, pet care and training, gardening, and decluttering. If you are good at any one of these, then I suggest you must start working on your course. Thanks everyone. I will see you at the next lecture.